Welcome everyone, I'm your life mentor. In today's chapter, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of making new friends. In this chapter, we'll be exploring the art of forming connections inspired by the captivating TV show Tulsa King. From analyzing this following scene, we'll learn how to study the energy people give off and engage in friendly conversations with complete strangers. Conversations that will pave the way for long friendships.
Is he taken?
It's all yours.
Striking up a conversation. Watch how the protagonist opens up the conversation when first approaching the strangers. He began by asking, "Is this seat taken?" Even though they are a bit far from the seat in question, it can help break the ice with complete strangers.
Evening.
How you doing?
Good. What'll it be?
Well, I assume you don't have Chianti.
You assume correctly.
Okay.
What you need's a bourbon.
Yeah, why is that?
No, because I was really hoping you'd buy me one.
Watch how the strangers continued to carry the conversation. One of them offered himself a drink on the protagonist's tab, while simultaneously recommending a drink to him. On most of the occasions, this may seem extremely rude. That's why his friend quickly apologized on behalf of his partner.
Yeah, forgive my friend here, mister. He's a goddamn mooch.
But watch what happens next. The protagonist seems very chill about it, since he's new in town and wants to form some kind of relations. He said,
Hey, the answer is always no until you ask. I have a bourbon for me and my two pals.
which means he's open to buying them the suggested drink.
Right here. What do you suggest? You found there in Tulsa. What do you know? Nothing with this.
I couldn't help notice. Are those lizard boots you're wearing?
Yes, sir, they are. Made in Texas, just like me.
Finding common ground. Now here's a powerful lesson we can learn from this scene when seeking to make new friends. It's essential to study their vibe and behavior, observing how open people are to converse. You'll find that certain places are more conducive to starting conversations and building connections more than other environments. Additionally, look for communalities.
Hey, check these out. Made in Italy, like my old man.
How about that? We both like dinosaurs.
There you go. Salute.
Cheers.
When you find the common ground with some stranger, it forms a bridge between you two, helping in turning the overall meeting into a genuine connection. So when you meet someone who shares similarities with you, whether it's a t-shirt, passion, heck, maybe even the same phone or car, don't hesitate to engage in a conversation. It's highly likely you'll kick it off from the get-go. In Tulsa King, the common ground is that the two pals discovered that they had boots made from the same material. That common ground increases the respect that they had for each other. Conclusion. Making new friends can seem daunting at first, but remember to be genuine, open, and aware of the energy around you. And remember the steps we saw in this analysis. Offer a friendly gesture, seek common ground, and let conversations flow naturally without forcing anything. Keep in mind that making connections is a beautiful journey, and when you approach it with a positive mindset, amazing friendships can blossom. Thank you for joining me in this chapter. Stay tuned for more valuable information about enriching your life. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the wonderful world of human relationships.